Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to download Pocket Incoming on on PC. So yeah, this is if you don't know how to download this, you can follow this tutorial. So let's jump into it. So if you go to right here, what you're gonna do is go to click this. You can use this tab too. So how to install this? What you're gonna do is go to not. So yeah, that's how do I that take me. So yeah, so what you're gonna do is search this Pocket Incoming, and yeah, this is gonna be popping. Shout out to BlueStacks that I can download this game. So yeah, so I will link this page in the description. You can just play it, guys. This game is really fun. What is this? I think. What the heck? Oh, is wow? What is this Pokemon? I don't think this is on. What? 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 This is not a Pokemon, guys. Look at that. It's not a Pokemon. So yeah, that is how you install it. I will link it in the description. So yeah, bye bye, guys.